So hello guys, today I am going to show you the black screen problem in OBS Studios. So let me show you the problem first, then we will try to solve it. So let's click this one, OBS Studio, let it open. Here you can see OBS Studios is here. Now our problem is whenever we try to create any display capture, this one we clicked it, then let's write a name ABC, there it is. Okay, so you can see that we have created this display capture, but then also it is not showing anything. So here it is, so only black screen is there. So to solve this problem, follow with me. I will show you some process to solve this problem. So let's start. Let's close it now. Go to your desktop and right click the mouse button and go to display settings here and click it, then let it open. Now scroll down a bit, then you will see multiple displays option. Under multiple displays, two options are there, I think, advanced display settings and graphic settings. Click on graphic settings, this one, you can see graphic settings is there, so click it. Now this is opened. Now click on, there is choose an app to set preference. So the default is classic app. Okay, so now click on browse. Wait a second, I just forgot where I installed my OBS Studio. So if you are having any problem knowing the location, just click on the icon and select properties. Then you can see, oh, here it is, target, C program files, OBS Studio 64. Okay, C program files, my one is in C program files, so I will go there and click on browse. Then in OBS Studios, my was in C, I think program files 86 OBS Studios. Wait, let me type. Yes, here it is, OBS Studios. Click it, then go to your bin, and there it is, my one is 64-bit. Click on 64-bit and you can see the option available, and you can also see the exe file of OBS Studios, OBS 64. Click it and then add, then it will appear on your graphic setting options. So click on options, then here it is, graphic specifications, power savings, GPU AMD Radeon. This will be this will run as per your integrated graphics. And there is another option, high performance GPU, NVIDIA GTX 1050. My one is this one. So let's not try to force it. So and let's select power saving options, it will be great, then save it. Okay, there it is. Now close your window, this one, refresh once, then again click OBS Studios. Now your problem should be solved, I think. Yes, it must be solved. So let it open. Now you can see I got the interface. Now you can record your videos or gameplays. So here is the solution. So if you guys liked it, so subscribe to my channel and give a like on this video. Thank you guys, bye bye.